Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to program an LED. First, we are going to make the LED switch on and switch off. We'll take our first block, Arduino program. We can use Curious Mind or Arduino program, any of them. Since we are using Arduino commands, I just use Arduino program. So what is the first thing? We know that we have connected our LED to pin number 5. To switch on and switch off LED, what we need to do is we need to make the pin number 5 positive and negative. When the pin number 5 becomes positive, there is an imbalance because the second terminal is always connected to ground. So there is positive and negative imbalance, the current will flow. When the pin number 5 becomes negative, both are negative, balance, current stops flowing, which means LED stops glowing. So we'll use set digital pin. Set digital pin 5. Output as high. High means we are making it positive. And we want this to glow for, let's say, 2 seconds. So we'll put wait 2 seconds. And then we are going to make set digital pin 5 output as low. So that stops the current. So LED stops glowing. So this is a very simple program to switch on and switch off the LED. LED will stay on for 2 seconds because we have delayed switching off LED by 2 seconds. Very simple program to switch on and switch off. So please do this program, try it and see whether it works. Next we'll try to do this switch on and switch off continuously. So we want to blink. We want to blink means we want to do it continuously. That means I will use forever. But instead of forever, I will use repeat. I will make it blink 10 times. High, wait for 2 seconds, low. But after low, immediately the high command is coming. I don't want that because that will mean that it will look continuously high. So what I want is I want to put, let's say here, same time. So it will be high. So LED will glow. After 2 seconds, it will switch off. After 2 seconds, it will go back here and switch on again. So 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. That will be program for blinking the LED. Please go back, do your program, check it out. If it works, come back to the video once again. Now this time we are not interested in making the LED blink on and off, but we want to increase the brightness of LED. And we know when we are increasing the brightness of LED means we want to give more values to LED, more than 2. Not just on and off, but more than 2 values. More than 2 values means it's a analog value. And when we want to give analog values, we want to output them, we use PWM pin. So we are going to use set PWM pin. Output initially as 0. Then let's say after certain time, I will use it, let's say 0.3 seconds. I will make the thing as 50. Then after 0.3 second, again 100. Again 150. And again 100 and again 255. So that means the LED is glowing slowly, 0, 50, 100. The voltage given to LED is in proportion to this, and hence LED's brightness is going to slowly increase. Once it reaches here, we want to reduce it. So what we can do, we can start reducing 150, 100, 50, and finally we will use 0. So this will start LED. So LED will start glowing. It is 0, which means it is off. Slowly 50, 100, 250, 255, 150 again start reducing the brightness. So what we have done, we have used PWM pin. The command also set PWM pin because we want to give more values to the LED. More values means analog values. When analog values are outputted, we use PWM pins. Again, make this program, try it on the hardware setup which we have done. And if you have any queries or you want to tell anything to us, you can put your comments in the comment section below. You can check out our other videos to keep on learning.